There it is.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Joe Daviess County in northwestern Illinois, northwestern Stevenson County in northwestern Illinois, until 1:45 p.m. At 12:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wadham's Grove, or 16 miles southwest of Monroe, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Oh, nice.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lena, Warren, Winslow, Nora, Buena Vista, Oneco, Orangeville, Kent, Wadham's Grove, Lake Lackawanna State Park, McConnell, Apple River Canyon State Park, and Joe Daviess County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA's weather.